Sup guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm just gonna show you something that I've been doing on my own project that I'm doing. It's supposed to be, get to a full game and get released. At least I'm hoping so. And someone asked like to show them what's the project about and stuff that I did. So I thought I'll make a quick dev diary so I'm gonna try and keep doing this as I want to show new stuff that I do. So yeah, the game is basically a zombie game where you hold out against waves like in a team, but in the same map you're gonna have like teams over here. Imagine another team back there and another team back there. Like they're gonna be defending on their own against waves of zombies. They can't really get out of this area, but then there's gonna be a round where they are able to get out and like go to airdrops or whatever to find supplies. And then because all the players are gonna be interacting in the world, they're gonna be like fighting against each other for the supplies. So it's kind of a day that I had like to join PvP with PvE, so like co-op with competitive. I don't know, it's kind of a crazy idea. I want to see if I can pull it off. It's been really cool, and I've been learning a lot of stuff with this. So let me just show you one of the things that like I'm not an artist, I'm more of a programmer, but I managed to do something very cool with tutorials help, of course. But if I find the materials, I have created a way of creating some kind of dynamic weather system, like on the foliage and on the place. So you can see here that I have snow, rain, and I also have wind. And I can, for example, let me just do this. As you can see, I can increase the amount of snow, and you kind of get like in top of the objects, and like the foliage, it gets on the top of the house. It kind of gets the z-axis of the objects and kind of paint snow on top of it. And I can kind of blend with rain, so it kind of, as rain falls off, the snow kind of turns into starts melting, and the ground starts getting wet. So if I go into full rain, you can see that it's fully wet. This is very cool, and I got really excited because I'm not very good with materials and stuff, and it got really cool. I really like it. And also we can get wind, so the foliage starts going crazy and stuff. So yeah, this is just something that I really liked when I did. Well, let me go into point 4. Point 4 is basically no snow. And by the way, if you guys want to see a tutorial about some stuff, like anything that you see here, you can ask and I'll see if I can do it. Another thing that I've been doing, but this I'm going to switch to another map, because I kind of been testing in the third-person example map. If I play now, this is kind of a sound that I have. You can see a little bit of the movement. I can rotate my spine. You can see through the shadow, and I kind of can go into and pick up weapons. I have a little inventory that it's kind of in early space, but I can drag and drop slots of weapons, and if I select one, I kind of have a little bad equip animation. But now I have like an equipped animation. I can sprint with an animation already, and like I can supposedly unequip. But the animation is not good, especially the equipment, so it's a little bit buggy, don't mind that. But it's fully working, and best of all, it's already set up to be replicated. So if I get 2 players, this basically goes back to the new tutorial series that I'm doing. I kind of learned how to do it really when I was working on this project. But if I go over here, you can see that I have name tags working here as well. So if I pick these weapons and I assign them, boom. Oh. Whoa, there's something wrong. Okay, don't mind that. You can see that I have the pistol there, but I don't know what happened. Wait, I have 2. Oh yeah, already I've picked one. So if I press 1, you can see, and it's fully replicated. You can see me holding the weapon, and it replicates the spine rotation and stuff, which is pretty cool. Let me just try this again, because I just worked on this a couple of hours ago, and it was working for the client as well. Gonna have to look into this. But yeah, if you want you guys want to know anything about this, how I did this and stuff, just let me know. Like how I did this rotation with the spine, how I did the inventory, anything like that, just ask. Yeah, I'm really excited about this game. I feel like I'm getting a hold of how I can do this, and I'm really excited. You can see the sprint is also replicated and stuff. It's pretty cool. The animations, I did them myself, the upper body one, so it's a little bit funky. I'm not really good of an artist or animator. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave it for this video. I gotta look into this project. Actually, I just pause and see what's wrong. Okay guys, it would appear that for some reason, now I tried it with the second slot and it worked. For some weird reason. I'm gonna have to, it's probably an error on the first slot. And now it's not working. What the hell is happening? You can see the animation playing, but it's bugging out for some reason. I don't know why. Let me just check the errors. X has none. Okay. Let me try once again. This bug is weird. It sometimes happens, sometimes it doesn't. Well, let me try and with 3 players. Now I'm kind of making this a normal tutorial. I apologize about that. Well, not really a tutorial, but it was not supposed to me to be doing this, but well, I just noticed this problem. It's some problem with the clients equipping it. I'm not sure if it's like the weapon is getting attached and everything. It's just the animations are not getting it set in place. But if I do it, let me see, slot 3. Yeah, with the server it works. It's probably because some error in the because I just tried it when I wasn't recording and it worked without me changing anything. So it's probably just, you know, a normal editor error. So sometimes it happens in Unreal. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on this video. If you guys wanna just learn how to do something that you saw just here, or you have any suggestions in general, just leave them in the comments. I'm very happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.